Hello dear friends, once again welcome back to my channel Scientific Phenomenal Facts. Today I am going to show you how to produce electricity with the help of magnet. So come, let's see. First of all, let me explain the mechanism behind of that. Here let you see. First of all, you have to take a magnet, pitch of magnet. Suppose this one North Pole, this one South Pole, this one South Pole, this one North Pole. There should be force of attraction and there should be coil turnings, which is made up of copper. And one end of the copper coil it should be connected with rotor. This rotor is made up of iron, and there is a separator which is inserted by copper wire or copper turnings. Same thing it is designed on the other end also. Now the production of electricity with the help of magnet, it can be done possible by two techniques. Either the coil it should move around the magnet, or the magnet should rotate around the coil. In both the cases it can be done possible. So come, let me show you the experiment. This one is the body of my device, just to let you know how it happens. This is the body. Here I have set a copper turnings. Okay. Then this one is this soft iron rotor, where in the separator copper turnings are inserted. Same thing on this end also. Here you can see one end of this is connected with this anode, other one connected with the cathode. We can understand like that way. Now let's see how it can be set up. First of all, let me fix this rotatory handle so that it can be moved very conveniently and with a very high speed. These are the two screws I am putting here to make it a better hole. This is another screw. This also it is for a better hole so that we can rotate the handle very smoothly without any inconvenience. Now the main one, where all our settings has been set off. Let us fix it. Here you can see it is nothing but for hole. Now here our device is fulfilled. Sorry, not fulfilled yet, because how I can prove that this electricity can be produced with the help of magnet? Let me show you right now. This is a bulb. Now let me connect the two terminals, one to anode, other with cathode. Now isn't the bulb glows? Isn't the bulb glows? No glows is produced. It means no passage of electricity. Now let's see what happens if I move this one. Here this one is a handle which I am going to use to rotate the coil or the magnet. Here in this device I am going to rotate here you see I am going to rotate the magnet, not the coil. Now let me join this handle. Here I have connected the two terminals with the bulb. Isn't there any production of electricity? No, bulb does not glow. Now let's see what happens when there is a rotation of the magnet around the coil. So we have seen that how electricity produces with the help of magnet as well as due to copper turning. When the magnet it moves around the coil turnings, then the electric bulb goes. It means electricity produces. What is the mechanism happens here? Through the coil, either if we can take copper coil or aluminium. Any one we can take. Because when the magnet it moves very first, then the electron present on the conductor or through the wire, it comes in motion, by virtue of which there is a production of electric current due to the flow of charge through a conductor. It is the mechanism behind of that. The force of magnet, it accelerates the electron present on the wire. This is the real mechanism by virtue of which, due to the movement of magnet around the coil, there is a production of electricity. So if you understood and if you enjoyed my mechanism, whatever I have explained for the production of electricity with the help of magnet, and if you are satisfied by my approachings, then please you like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.